All right, we're here at North Market Variety and North Market Shoe. Right here, right under the water tower. If you can find the water tower in Berlin, you can find North Market Variety and North Market Shoe. Let's go inside and see what all they have. We're here at North Market Variety. We're at North Market Variety in Berlin. It is right underneath the water tower. If you can find the water tower, you can find the variety store. Look at them cute little animals. Got lots of onesies and kids' clothes. As the name says, a lot of variety. All right, we're just gonna sit back and we'll just take a walk around the store. Boy, you know I like the cows, especially the cute ones there. Okay, we got blankets, nice and soft and fuzzy. Got candles. Little mini shape puzzles. School supplies and stickers. Rusty loves you. Fluffy is so sweet as can be. Look at Fluffy. Housewares. Clearance items. Save some money. Party supplies, table coverings, things like that. Cards. Head coverings. Lots of different sizes, shapes and colors, types. Welcome to HCO and More. HCO stands for Holmes County, Ohio. That's your connection to Amish Country. Be sure to like and subscribe.